everyone and welcome to today's Spooktober video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to look like Chucky the doll, as in from the horror film. This is a super simple look. All you need is a colourful stripy jumper. I got mine out of Primark for £8, so it wasn't that much at all. And I'm just wearing a little dungaree skirt set. Just ignore the black leggings. I probably wouldn't wear black leggings with it. But yeah, you can wear like a proper full-on dungaree set with trousers, or you can wear the skirt version. It's completely up to yourself. I'm not going to do a full face of makeup for this because Chucky's a doll. All he really has is stitching. I'm actually going to pull up a picture so that it make it easier on myself. So this is what Chucky the doll looks like. There's just a few little bits of stitching like coming down on his face because he's a doll. So I'm just going to use my little eyebrow quad that I always use, and I'm just going to use an angled eyebrow brush to do this. I'm just mixing the light ashy blonde shade and the cocoa brown shade, and I'm just going to make a few little kind of stitches. And then you can go like horizontal, pick up some more product. Just excuse this big massive spot that's appeared in my forehead. Yes, that'll probably do that one. Don't know if I should put in another one. Might waste it. Yeah, let's leave it. Do another one over here. This is just random placement. I mean, you can put them anywhere you want. I'm not going to be Chucky for Halloween, so this is just an idea for you if you possibly need one. And you don't need to do too many of these because it will end up start looking really messy. So I think this will probably be my last one. Did them a bit long, but the good thing about using powder is that you can shorten it literally just by rubbing it. And if you need to clean things up, you can always get a baby wipe. Preferably a makeup wipe, but yeah, baby wipe will do. That looks like a TV antennae. I'm not good at doing doll type things, but yeah, this is my Chucky doll look. Just gotta put on my glasses so I can see. Chucky doesn't wear glasses, but I do, so yeah, there you go. And that is my complete Chucky doll, quick, easy, 5-minute tutorial. Literally all you need to do is go to your local Primark or clothes store, get a stripy top and some denim overalls of sorts, and that's you, literally complete. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another Halloween themed video. Bye!